Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae, and today I have a hair video for you guys. Today I will be trying out Passion Twist from scratch for the first time, okay? I was really scared to jump into this when my homegirl came to the shop with the loose crochet hair. I was like, what is this? I had never worked with it before to create, Passion Twist. I'd actually done a crochet style with it literally the day before, so I'd only worked with it once, but I wanted to create some Passion Twist. That is what we had discussed previously, so I was like, I'm gonna just work with it. So I shampooed her hair, conditioned it, all that good stuff, and right now we are doing the blow dry process. I'm using the products that I usually use. I'll try to put that in the description box below. I basically use everything that I use for a silk press, but I just added a little bit more moisture since she is going into a protective style. So as you can see, for the next couple minutes I'm just going to be blow drying her hair out, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So now that I've finished blow drying, I'm just going to go into parting. And as of late, I've been doing a lot of traditional crochet styles, which I'm not just doing the straight backs like they used to do back in the day. When in regards to parting and braiding, I do a little bit more of creative parting, but I have not parted somebody from scratch in a little minute. So I want to do something kind of fun, because parting is actually my favorite part of creating braids or twists or locks from scratch. Like, I love parting. So today I decided to do the little cross parting, like a plus sign parting, and a little bit of a puzzle piece, because I was just trying to make it work and going with the flow, and it actually came out really nice. I wish I could have got a better picture of the parting, but as you guys will see as I move through the parting, I'm kind of just going with it, letting it flow, like I said, because it's like you start somewhere and then you just go with it. So for me, I found it was easier to start at the back, but you know, for you it might be easier to start somewhere else. But one thing I know for sure is that you want to section the hair in four to make sure everything is symmetrical when starting out, because that helps to create the plus signs, and that helps with any type of creative parting that's not just squares or anything like that. It helps to make sure everything is sectioned in four and you know where the center of the head is. And I also wanted to point out that I am using my Holy Grail Shine and Jam. It's the one in the yellow container, extra hold. I use that anytime I'm creating parts or trying to do some braids. I absolutely love it. So now you see me getting into these passion twists. I had to try a couple of different methods to see what worked best for me. I wet up her hair first with some moisturizer on this first section, and I tried it to braid the top. I saw that in a YouTube video where they started off with a braid and then they go into twists, but I feel like it works for some people, but this hair was just not working for me. Like, everything was slipping out of her hair and I really was not appreciating it. So that's what I tried to do here, but I just wasn't in love with this one. I wasn't in love with it. So as I continue to the next one, you're gonna see that I tried to, let's see what I'm about to do. Am I gonna braid it? No, I'm just starting to twist it. This is where I just started twisting it from the top, kind of like doing a rope twist where you twist both sides to kind of make it stay together. And then also, as I continue up her head, I'm going to realize that I need more than 1 to 2 pieces of hair. I think I used 2 pieces of hair to make the passion twist a little bit thicker, because the thinness wasn't a look for me. So after a while, I got my mom to help me because she is also a veteran hairstylist. I needed somebody that was not new to this to help me get through this. This style actually took a very long time to me. Like, it takes longer than, you know, traditional crochet. So we installed all the hair, and then I allowed her to help me go through and pre-wet it. So we actually re-wet her hair and added in some of the Shine & Jam just to make it really wet and to make it small enough to fit into the twist. And I'm just twisting it really tight and then allowing it to puff back up once I let it go. And I think this method works a little bit better than what I was trying to do at first with braiding the top or anything else I had seen on YouTube. This process is not as easy as it looks. I'll say that for sure. I was definitely learning a lot while creating it, but the end style is beautiful. She actually picked these two colors, and as they came together, I actually mixed it as I was going. It actually looked like a nice camouflage style. The colors together were really beautiful, and the hair actually ended up being really, really nice. I think she likes it, and I personally liked it myself. So now you're just going to see me go through and complete these passion twists, and then we're going to go on to styling it. So we are currently at the end of this video, and as you can see, she is just putting her hair up in a bun because most of the time that's how she wears her protective styles, and I totally agree with her. I love a good ponytail and a bun when I have my twist or locks in, and I feel like this video is really important, and I'll keep doing videos like this because as a beginner and as someone who's still new in the hairstyling game, it's okay to know that you're not going to be perfect. Not everything is going to be as easy as you see YouTubers or more advanced hairstylists or these Instagram hairstylists make it seem. It's okay to struggle and to learn, and as long as you have clients who accept that and like you for who you are and the talent that you're developing, that is great that you're doing the best you could do. And I love that she gave me the opportunity to try this on her, and I love the results. She loved the results. So if you guys like seeing videos like this, videos that are not perfect, where I'm still learning how to create things, let me know because I can definitely start filming more of my client work. I have been working a lot, so I just need to turn on the camera for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.